Hi guys, Nefri here. So today I'm going to be doing a special build today with credits to one of my friends in the Discord. His name is Ananjum, and he developed this team composition, and I'm going to be using it with Blacksmith today. So what it is composed of is Tyson and Behemoth, and now you can already tell why it's a good combo because they both use protection, and Tayson scales with protection. He does more damage the more protection he has, as you can see from his ability here. After using Power of Great Tiger, the next normal attack deals extra damage equal to 20% of current protection. So yeah, he's going to be stacking a lot of protection and going to be doing a lot of damage with his normal attack. So let's get to it. Alright, you know my game plan. I'm going to just solely level up Tyson by himself because he's going to be my main damage carry. But, you know, with just having these two coward bros, they're gonna get leveled up pretty quickly. So, things like Horn of the Guard or any hero altar benefits, it's gonna get diminished very quickly. Right. I don't think Spear's that good here. No, Armor of the Kingdom is not as good because it's not giving extra protection from sources, just from the armor. Hopefully I can get Behemoth on these beginning rounds here. Oh, very, very nice. Let's go, Coward Bros. I'm gonna avoid using the other recruitment because I don't need it. Blade Crown. I think it's, you know, yeah, sure. Even though will have a lot of protection and damage reduction, I still believe that he's gonna get stunned for quite some time, so good to have that so that he can continue attacking. Now I just need to look for some coward runes, so that's what the name is based off of. Hopefully I'll get them pretty soon. Don't need any of them. Let's give you some EXP. Wedge dagger, I don't need that. Elixir Respite. Not bad. I can probably change that altar later to Bees. Blacksmith later. So let's go up here. Destroy the chest. Oh yes, nice. A coward rune. Alright, let's put that there. I'm gonna try to keep it separate and use the rune enhancement hammers so that I can have multiple coward runes and not like combine them. Let's go with that. You know, I still don't really understand the meaning of the name of Coward Rune, because then they take less damage when they have it. I guess it's because like when they lose their allies, they become like, oh no, more afraid, because now they're alone or something like that. Nope, don't need that. Hello, coward. Let's refresh to see if we can find another one. Nice. One more time. Ooh, another one. Okay. Let's keep them separate. I'm gonna need some rune removals. Let's buy one set. Okay. Let's put that on him. Okay, I thought I put it on the wrong one for a second. I can buy a hero here and go sell them for some free money. Let's see if I can get blacksmith. Spear, I don't think it's that great, so ignore that. Let's put that on. Blacksmith? Oh man, why did you show up on this floor? Okay. Keep moving forward. Another coward. Okay. Grab that. Give that to Behemoth. a void. How about this? He's gonna like pop up and get stunned so he don't get damaged a lot. Hate the Void Destroyer, man. Wow. These are crap. I guess I'll try to change them later on, but should I just do that? Censor the High Priest. Let's do Censor the High Priest. That seems better than the other ones, because Mask of Hallucination in Great Rift is trash because it doesn't copy the runes. And runes are what makes your heroes kind of like extra powerful. Armor. Let's get a bow. Alright. Give me some of these. Only one. It's kind of crap. But yeah, give it that. Put that back on. Fresh one. Let's grab that. Do that and give him that. I don't need the King God armor. Let's come back. I don't need that armor either. Let's come back. Can I come back? No, I can't come back. Okay, so I have to kind of keep that. Alright. Nah, I'll save my money for the next one. That in, man, find that. All right. Got some mage going on with this, which is nice. Get to have them cast faster. No, I don't need those, but let's get our blacksmith. Nice. Nice, nice. Tiger Strike, yep. Expert. No. Oh yeah, reduce incoming damage. That's nice. I need another rune remover. Let's grab these. Put one on the Behemoth. Yeah. Ooh, perfect coward. So I can do. Let's remove that. Give him the perfect one. He'll get that. Let's combine these two. Give him that and that. Alright, so now I just need those equipment enhancers. Those rune enhancers, I mean. Polishing tool. Yeah, sure. Let's go visit the shop one more time. Refresh one more time. Okay, I'll grab that. Give that to my boy Tayson. My Behemoth is not surviving as much as my Tayson, but once he gets his like awakened ability to give grant protection, it'll be good. God staff. Right. I also need to give him more spell damage too. Yeah, once he gets that, he get damage reduction, I meant. Yep. Give damage reduction to you. Let's go down to the shop. Oh, none of them are good. Let's try to change that hero now. Alter Greed. Okay. I think that's gonna give me some of the rune improvements, maybe. Higher I go up. More reforges. Let's get rid of that blood for now. No, I don't need that. No. Altar of heroes. Dang. Give me that. Let's see. Stop this for now. Let's do this. Nice, 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 nice. Very nice. I think. All right. I wonder if this is better than Whetstone because it gives the base stats and additional effect stats more. I guess I have to kind of like see later. I believe this goes on here, according to my friend. Let's get that. The reforge again. Altar Greed. I don't need Altar Greed, really. Come on, Blacksmith, show up. Come on. Come on. Yes, there we go. Got that. Nice attack count. Let's get on him. Let's go back here. Let's see if he can give me that 380. Oh, okay. Hopefully I get enough from this. Not enough. Okay, let's sell that hammer. So I can buy this. I know, kind of a waste of money, but need it to get that completed. None of these are good. Maybe mount a shield, but I'm looking for what's it called? I think it was called Perfect Forge, so I'm looking for that right now. Let's go this way. Smack him around, guys. Play ping pong with him. Behemoth just pushes him away, and Taysom pulls him back in. I'm gonna see what the greed item comes out as. Sure. Oof. Let's hope they don't die. They don't die. Nice. Hmm. The only equipment I have. Don't need the 20% stun. Let's change that, or that's nice. Extra spell power. This reduce incoming damage. Or did I already have that on there? Oh, now I don't remember. At least he has 30% MP recovery this time. Another coward, nice. Another anvil, nice. Refresh. Refresh. One more refresh. Yee. Okay, let's do that and that. Let's sell some runes. I don't need warm longer. Scrap that. And we are good to go. Alright, Greed, what are you gonna give me? Ooh, look at that chunk. Dual swords agreed. Okay, they're not that great. I don't think I'm gonna use that for any of them, so let's just dump that all in. Let's change that. Nope. Nope. Okay. Extra spell power. Let's give that to you. I mean, would that really affect this one? Okay. Had to try. Increased attack damage. Would this work with this? Let's put it on just because I'll probably get another staff to put on him instead. Wait, did I see it come out twice? Oh, it comes out twice. Oh. Snap, it is a good item to put on him. So attack plus +1 attack works on his second potential ability. Interesting. Interesting. Alright then. Oh god. Oh god. I don't want to kill my own behemoths. Another coward, nice. Give me that. Does it come out twice, or am I just tripping? I think it's coming out twice. Yeah, it's like double flashing right there. Alright, alright. Another anvil. Alright, let's combine them together and give it to him. So increases the base stats and additional. I need to test this with the whetstone, see if it... I think whetstone's only for the additional, so... Hello, coward. Now it's time to complete the set. Refresh. Refresh. Nope. Okay. Because then my friend said it's perfect forge. I'm not sure what that bonus is. I don't think I've seen it yet, but we'll try to look for it. Let's get that reliquary forge. Because I want to get maximum blacksmith. Yep, okay. Cool. Oh no, don't die. Okay, good. You avoided the death. Ultimate smelting, no. Oh, I should have got the ultimate smelting. Okay, convert to rune. No. Alright, let's go floor 7. See what you got for me. See how you fare against the coward bros. All the damage reduction, you know. Smack. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, get smacked. Oh man, only 23 damage. That's so much damage reduction. Oh god. Okay, 30%. Oh, okay. It's getting a little spicy. Alright, they still have a lot of protection. Nice. Okay. Let's just grab that, see if I can convert that to the perfect forge. Does it even exist though? Relic converter. No, I think I'm fine with this. Let's grab Anvil. If it's not gonna show up, I might as well just boost Tyson with it. Look at that ping pong action. Back and forth, back and forth. Oh, no. That would have been really bad. That would have just screwed up my whole run to support the Remnant troops. Polishing. Let's just do that and go to this elite battle. I wonder if he's gonna have enough protection to withstand the nuke. Oh! Not my behemoths. Can he withstand it? Oh! Okay. Let's not face that boss. Okay. Let's grab that. Oh, I shouldn't have faced that boss. Okay, they're max level now. Alright, let's just put perfect. Or not. I'll just put the anvil on him. Alright. Let's go. Alright. Floor 8 boss. Use this teleport so it'll instantly get them there. Easy money. Like, come here. Smacked. Sure. Alright, floor 9. How close am I? Let's see, what can I do with this? Let's convert that. Nope. Alright, let's see if I can survive the floor 9 with this. Right. They seem strong enough. Hopefully I can get down there. Ugh. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Come on, come on, come on. Don't die on me, don't die on me. Stop moving. Yes. Okay, okay, they're stun locked. They're stun locked. Oof. I was looking really close there. Alright, one more. Oh, these look tough. Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. Alright. Come on. Yes, yes. They're going down, they're going down. Wait. Okay, yes. Yes, die, die. Doesn't really matter at this point, because now we're at the last stage. Okay. Don't need that, don't need that, don't need that. Alright, alright, alright. We are at the final boss, guys. I don't want to face anything else now, so let's see its power. Can you defeat the Coward Bros? Moo? Let's see. Woohoo! Get chunked, get chunked, get chunked! Nice, nice. Alright, there you have it. That is the Coward Brothers using the blacksmith. With credits to Anunjum from the Discord Camelot. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys found this informative as well. So you can use this team composition to clear the Great Rift using the blacksmith altar. Just remember to use the 2 Coward runes and the anvil on each of them. I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna come across those runes pretty easily because you're only gonna need to put it on 2 heroes. So yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe. And also tune in for my next altar clear, and I'm gonna be uploading that very soon. Alright, thanks. See ya.